when I'm here in Brasilia, received the news about Mr. President Duterte. And as a lawyer, I hope in all of this case, it need to be respected the due process of law, and this case very soon to be dismissed, and you, Mr. President, to have a safe travel back to the Philippines.
Hello guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is my Simple Journey TV. So ayun guys, panibagong reaction naman tayo guys. Isang Brazilian immigration lawyer ang nagsalita patungkol kay Tatay Digong na ayon sa kanya na hopefully na madidismiss ang kaso at makakauwi sa Pilipinas si Tatay Digong. So ayun na nga guys, dumadami ang mga ibang lahi na patuloy na sumusuporta kay Tatay Digong bukod sa ating mga Pilipino. So ayun guys, mega love shoutout nga pala kay Kuya Gods na maririnig natin ngayon ang kanyang boses sa kanyang pong video. So ito na nga guys, kung bago pa lang po kayo sa aking channel, please comment, like, and share, and pakipindot na rin po sa ating notification bell para lagi po tayong updated sa ating mga videos, and pakisubscribe na rin po. So let's do this.
Here in Brasilia, and now I work as an immigration lawyer. I've been traveling to the Philippines in the past 20 years, and I can see when I arrive there the difference of the social security. We can see the improvement of roads, new schools, and the feeling of more safe. For me, it was a surprise when I'm here in Brasilia, received the news about Mr. President Duterte. And as a lawyer, I hope in all of this case, it need to be respected the due process of law, and this case very soon to be dismissed, and you, Mr. President, to have a safe travel back to the Philippines.
Narinig nyo ha. Immigration lawyer yan. Pwedeng ma-dismiss. Tsaka mahal na mahal ng mga ibang lahi o banyaga si Tatay Digong. Biruin mo ha. Saan ka nakakita? Birthday mo ngayon. Buong mundo nagse-celebrate. 'Di ba? 'Di ba? Sa totoo lang tayo. Birthday mo ngayon, birthday na isang tao, buong mundo, buong bansa ang nagse-celebrate. Sino nakagawa niyan? Kahit sikat na celebrity, hindi nagawa yan. Kahit sikat na presidente ng iba-ibang bansa, hindi nagawa yan. Bukod tanging si Tatay Digong lang. Ganun siya kamahal ng mga Pilipino. At bukod doon, pati banyaga na nakakilala sa kanya. Imagine. Ganyan katindi ang mga Duterte. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, huwag nyo sasayangin lahat ng inendorso ni Tatay Digong. Ikuwento nyo sa kababayan natin abroad. I-share nyo yung video na ito. I-share nyo sa kamag-anak nyo kung ano yung iboboto nyo na inendorso ni Tatay Digong. Ganun lang kasimple. 10 lang, sapat na. Yung 2, itapon nyo na. Oo. At yung, sa party list, Duterte party list, PP party list, Epano party list, Sagip party list, at kay Belica, yung Bisaya Gyud party list. At meron pang sinabi yung kababayan natin, hindi ko matandaan no? Pero ayun lang yung sinasabi ko lagi
In the name of the God, what I hope.
I would like to express my utmost support for ex-President Rodrigo Duterte. As I have said, I was born and I grew up and lived in Cotabato City. And I do know and I do remember how Cotabato and Mindanao in general, how it was before and after President Duterte, especially in the question of peace and order. And so, for all that President Duterte did for the Philippines and for Mindanao especially, we are forever grateful. President Duterte, we are cheering for you and we are praying for you and hoping for a speedy process, and that very soon you will be back again in the Philippines with all your supporters.
Mr. President Duterte, here from Brazil, we wish you a happy birthday, and may God give you a long life and health and happiness. Regards, salamat and obrigado.
Kita
We
nyo
would
mga
like to
kasama.
greet you.
So ayun na nga guys, maraming pong salamat sa panonood. So nakita po natin, Brazilian immigration lawyer ang isa na naman ng patunay na sumusuporta kay Tatay Digong. So, patunay lamang na dumadami ng dumadami ang mga ibang lahi na sumusuporta kay Tatay Digong. So, ayun na nga guys. Maraming salamat din pala kay Kuya Goods. Bigyan mega love shoutout sa iyo, boss. Lagi po tayong nakasubaybay sa mga videos nyo at saka sa iba nating mga content creator. So, yun na nga guys. Thank you so much. God bless. Duterte pa rin. And pray for the safety of Tatay Digong at sana lagi po siyang malakas at makauwi dito sa Pilipinas. So, God save the Philippines.